Today, I haven't done a video in a while, so today I'll be doing a video about Excel. It's inspired by my wife. Since at work she has a bunch of workbooks open, but she doesn't want it open in the same window. You can see in here Excel automatically opens it in one window. If you were to click on here and open, it'll just open in the same window. So actually there is a way to open separate windows, and it involves using the bottom taskbar. So just right click on there, and then you can click on a recent document or just open Office Excel 2000. In this case it's 2007, but 2013 works also. And you'll see now that I have a second Excel window that's open. So just right click on the icon over here, and then you choose Excel, and it'll open another window. You can also hold the Shift key on your keyboard and press the left mouse button, and it'll automatically open a new workbook in a new window. So hold the left or right Shift key and press the mouse button, and it'll automatically open a window. So hopefully this is helpful. I didn't realize you could do something like this. I know Microsoft is trying to save memory by opening it all in one window, but for me it's actually really useful to be able to tab between the different workbooks. So hopefully this is helpful to someone.